Hi everyone. Welcome to today's podcast show. I am Tyson, host of this episode. Do you want expert help to repair your Apple iMac? If you need affordable services for your Apple products, I will suggest iTech Xpress in Covina. This place offers reliable and comprehensive services for all Apple devices including iPhone, iPad, iMac, iPod, etc. Their services range from LED screen replacement and diagnostic to home button repair and data recovery. Get same-day service for minor repairs and get your device back within a few hours. To get more details, call 6267774747 or visit itexpressinc.com. Thank you all for listening. I will be back soon. So, stay tuned.